I'm surrounded.
That fire is only 200 meters away.
Holy moly! Get him out of the water now!
We got you, Spencer! Run!
Is this going to turn into a wildfire? Because it just takes one spark.
I can either get out and possibly die, or you can stay in the car and possibly die.
We realized no one's coming to help us.